Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sheikh Muhammad Azara. I am the BSN program coordinator and also the course coordinator of the Anatomy and Physiology at the College of Nursing, PIMS, Islamabad. In Anatomy and Physiology lecture of the series, today is the lecture number 6. And today, lecture number 6, we will go to learn about the upper arms. The upper arm from the shoulder joint to the elbow joint, this portion of the upper limb is called the upper arm. And this upper arm is made up by the single bone, and that single bone name is the humerus. Now the humerus, upper single bone is the humerus. Okay, the humerus is the type of the long bone. And what is the characteristic of the long bone? The characteristic of the long bone is it has the three portions. The upper extremity. This portion is the upper extremity, and the major portion is called the shaft of the bone, and this portion is called the lower extremity of the long bone. The long bone have the three portion. The upper part is called the upper extremity, the cylindrical in shape, and the rounded in shape. This portion, which is the most compact in density, this portion is called the shaft of the long bone. And then again one is the articulation portion, which is make the articulate with the other bones. This portion is called the lower extremity. And the lower extremity and the upper extremity is a little bit spongy in the characteristic and the compositions, and the shaft is a compact and with the hard density composition is made up by the hard. Detail about the humerus bones. If you see, this is the interior view. This is the interior view pictures of the humerus bone, and this is the posterior view of pictures of the humerus bone. Now we will start from the interior view of the humerus bone. We will start from the upper extremity. First of all, we will go to learn about the upper extremity. What are the portion, or the process, or the places, or the structures are the present at the upper extremity of the humerus bone. Now the rounded shape. You see, you are looking here the round shape of the at the upper extremity. This rounded shape is called the head of the humerus. This is called the head of the humerus. This head of the humerus bone, it will goes to join with the glenoid cavity of the scapula, and to make the glenohumeral joint, or the common name is called the shoulder joint. And the head of the humerus is covered by the hyaline cartilage to make the movement of the salver joint, the free movable of the joint is possible over here. Now just to see of the at the lateral side of the head of the humerus, you have seen a tuberosity over here, and this tuberosity, which is more larger in shape, larger in structure, is called the greater tuberosity. Greater tuberosity. On the medial side of the greater tuberosity, another small one is another tuberosity. This tuberosity is called the lesser tuberosity. Lesser tuberosity. Now between the greater tuberosity and lesser tuberosity, it is a groove over here, and some book is called the groove, and some book is called sulcus is there. In some book it is written the name of is the sulcus, and in some book it is written is the groove. So this groove is present between the two tuberosity. So it is called the intertubercle groove or intertubercle sulcus. This portion which is present between the two tuberosity, it is called the intertubercle groove or sulcus. Intertubercle groove or intertubercle sulcus. Now if you see the intertubercle groove is on the lower side, it makes a two leaves. It makes a two leaves. The one is called the lateral intertubercle sulcus leaves. Lateral leaves of the intertubercle sulcus and the medial leaves of intertubercle sulcus. This one. Okay. If you see in the just below of the head of the humerus is the yellowish in color, and this just at the below of the below of the head of the humerus is the neck is here, and this neck is called the anatomical neck. Anatomical neck of the this is called the anatomical neck, and the another neck is here, which is just below of the greater tuberosity and lesser tuberosity. Just below of the greater and lesser tuberosity, another neck is there, and this neck is called the surgical neck. Surgical neck. The anatomical neck and the other one is the surgical neck. If you will see, this is all about the upper extremity of the humerus. Now we will come up on the middle portion of which is the largest portion of the humerus bone, which is cylindrical and triangular in shape. And this cylindrical and triangular in shape is called the shaft of the humerus. In the shaft of the humerus, if you will come up in the shaft of the humerus, and the medial and the lateral side, tuberosity is here, and this tuberosity is called the deltoid tuberosity. Deltoid tuberosity is present at the lateral border of at the lateral side of the surface of the shaft. If you will go in the lower side, the upper portion is the cylindrical in shape and rounded in shape, and the triangular in shape, and the lower portion it's become a flattened in shape, little bit flattened in shape. So if you see over here, just above of the deltoid tuberosity, just above of the deltoid tuberosity of the lateral surface is articular facet. This is articular facet for the pectoralis major muscle. Pectoralis major muscles. This is for the pectoralis major muscle. Just above of the deltoid tuberosity, just above the deltoid tuberosity is a articular facet, is a crystalline structure. With this crystalline structure is for the pectoralis major muscle, for the attachment of the pectoralis major muscle. Now, for the just at the inferior surface, just at the below of the lateral intertubercle sulcus, this line is another is a surface is here. This is for the articular facet of the latissimus dorsi muscle. Latissimus dorsi muscle. This area is for the attachment of latissimus dorsi muscle. Now on the medial intertubercle sulcus line will goes to downward, and this when it is reached at the shaft, it's make another surface area, and this surface area, this line is for the attachment of the teres major muscle. For the teres major muscle. And the medial intertubercle sulcus line, which is goes to downward and reach at the middle of the shaft. This is the line. It is the attachment for the teres major muscle. Just at the lateral, just as the opposite of the deltoid muscles is the on the medial border, or the medial border is another surface area, and this surface area is for the triceps muscles attachment. Triceps muscles attachment area, for the triceps muscle attachment area. Now we will go just at below of the triceps major area, just below of the triceps area at the medial border, just at the medial border is for the coracobrachialis muscles attached here. Coracobrachialis muscles attached over here. Just at the coracobrachialis muscle attached is a triangular in shape area at the broader surface of the just above of the lower extremity is a triangular in shape, and this triangular surface area for the brachialis muscles attachment. Brachialis muscles attached over here. Okay, this is all about the interior views, the different area of the attachment of the muscles, and different area structures which is present on the shaft of the humerus bone. Now we'll go to learn about the lower extremity of the humerus bone. In the lower extremity of the humerus bone, if you see, it's become a broader in shape. It's a little bit broader in shape and make the two processes over here. If you see, this is the projection is here. This is the projection. The protuberator projection is here in the middle side. This projection is called the medial condyle. This is called the medial condyle. This one, this is called the medial condyle, and on the opposite side of that, this is the lateral condyle. Lateral condyle, medial condyle. If you see, just above of the lateral and medial condyle is a ridge over here, and this ridge-like structure, this called the medial epicondylar ridge, and lateral epicondylar ridge. Medial epicondylar ridge and lateral epicondylar ridge. This medial epicondylar ridge and lateral epicondylar ridge is for the attachment of the different type of the muscles. Now the lateral epicondylar ridge, is the green one area. This lateral epicondylar ridge is area for the attachment of the extensor carpi longus muscle. Extensor means which the extensor which make the extend your forearm. The extensor carpi radialis longus muscle, which may extend your forearm. Just at the medial side, there the medial side, another is a portion is here, the medial ridge. If you see on the medial epicondyle is a ridge is for the common flexor muscles. This area, this medial epicondylar ridge is for the common flexor carpus, common flexor carpus muscles attachment area over here. Now we see in the lower extremity we have the two. One is the pulley-like structure which is present on the medial side. The pulley-like structure, this pulley-like structure is called the trochlea. Trochlea. This trochlea is the trochlea, common trochlea for this trochlea is for the attachment of the trochlear notch of the ulna will attach over here. Just above of the trochlea is the coronite fossa is here. This fossa which is present just above of the trochlea surface is called the coronite fossa. And just at the lateral side, which is adjacent to the trochlea, is another rounded like structure is there in the lower. This part is the capitulum. In the capitulum, the head of the radius bone will goes to attach over here and make the joints here. And just above of the capitulum is another fossa here. This fossa is called the radial fossa. The fossa which is present of the capitulum is called the radial fossa. The fossa which is present of the trochlear surface or the pulley-like structure is called the coronite fossa. So this is all about the structure, the features or the structure, the process, the fossa which is present at the lower extremity of the coronite of the humerus bone. Now we will go on the posterior view of the humerus bone. What is the present and the posterior view of the humerus bone? In the posterior view of the humerus bone, if you will see, this is the greater tuberosity, this is the lesser tuberosity. The greater tuberosity is the other area is the blue-like structure, and the greater tuberosity, the posterior side, it is for the infraspinatus muscles attachment over here. Infraspinatus muscle attach over here, and the supraspinatus muscles will attach over here at the interior side. This is for the supraspinatus muscles attachment over here. These infraspinatus and supraspinatus muscles, these are the two muscles which is originate from the scapula bone and will comes attach over in the greater tuberosity and on the greater tuberosity area of the humerus bone. These are the supraspinatus muscles, and infraspinatus muscle is the rotator muscles that rotate the humerus bone. Now in the just below of the infraspinatus muscle surface area is another surface area from the lesser tuberosity area. This is for the teres minor muscles. Teres minor muscle attached over here at the lesser tuberosity. If you see at the posterior side of the humerus bone is a line is here, and this line is called the spiral line. At the back side it is a line over here, and this line is called the spiral line. And this spiral line is for the attachment of the triceps muscles. Tricep muscles attach over here, but the lateral head of the triceps muscles attach over here on the spiral line or the posterior surface of at the shaft of the humerus. Now we will come up on at the posterior on the shaft of the scapula at the posterior side. And the shaft of the scapula on the medial side, and the major portion is covered by muscles, is a triangular in shape surface area. This triangular surface area is covered by the attachment of the triceps muscle, again for the triceps muscle, but here the medial head of the triceps muscles attach over here in the larger, the major portion of the from shaft to the till to the lower extremity of the posterior side of the humerus bone. On the lateral side, of the shaft of the humerus bone, just below of the deltoid tuberosity is an attachment area is here on the medial border, and this for the varicose muscle. Varicose muscle is attached over here. Now and again is the in the posterior side is the only one fossa is looking here, and this one fossa is the lower extremity, is the one fossa is looking here, and this one fossa is called the olecranon fossa. Olecranon fossa. In the olecranon fossa, the olecranon process of the ulnar bone comes to attach over here and give the limitation to the elbow joint. This olecranon fossa is for the attachment of the olecranon process of the ulnar bone, which gives the limitation to the elbow joints. Okay, this is all about the diagrammatic views of the humerus bone. Now we'll go to little bit show you the features of the humerus bone on the original bones. Now see, this is the humerus bone. Again, is the humerus bone is the type of the long bone. Though how you can the question which is mostly is as I told you earlier in the every the lectures that in the viva of the anatomy, mostly the anatomical examiner, they ask the question, okay, what's the name of this bone? How you can identify this bone is belong to the right side and left side? Now the same the questions the same what are the features, what are the tips to identify this bone is belong to the right side and left side? In the humerus bone, the head of the humerus, this is rounded in structure. This head of the humerus bone always keep on the medial side, and then this is the olecranon fossa, the only one fossa which is present on the posterior side of the lower extremity. It is always kept on the posterior side. So you can identify this is the right side bone or it is a left side bone. So it is the left side bone of the upper arm, of the upper limbs of the upper arm. Now we will go to learn about the features. This we will start. The long bone has the three portions: the upper extremity, the shaft, and the lower extremity. In the upper extremity, this one is rounded in the structure. This rounded structure is the head of the humerus bone. Just at the side of the head of the humerus is the neck-like structures. This is the neck-like structure. This is called the anatomical neck. This is the anatomical neck of the humerus bone. Just at the lateral side is a greater tuberosity is over here. If you see on the lateral side is a greater tuberosity is here. This is called the greater tuberosity. On the interior side, in the interior side is a lesser tubercle is over here. This is called the lesser tuberosity. This is called the lesser tuberosity. This is a greater tuberosity. And between these both tuberosity is called the intertuberosity groove or intertuberosity sulcus. This is the two names are written in the books. One is called the intertuberosity groove or intertuberosity sulcus. From the intertuberosity groove or sulcus, the mostly is the bicipital muscles tendon will goes to pass from it. Okay. Now the intertuberosity groove or intertuberostical is the two lips is there, the lateral lips of the intertuberosity, intertubercle lips, and the medial intertubercle sulcus lips over here. These are two lips, the lateral intertubercle sulcus lips and the medial intertubercle lips over here. Just at the reach at the shaft of the humerus, it has the three border: the interior border, the lateral border, and the medial border. And the surface which is present between the interior border and the lateral border is called the lateral surface. And from the interior border and towards the medial border, this surface is called the medial surface. Between the medial border and the lateral border, this surface is called the posterior surface. So it is the three borders and three surface at the shaft. Just at the middle of the shaft on the lateral side is the tuberosity is here, and this tuberosity is called the deltoid tuberosity. Deltoid muscles are attached over here. In the intersulcus muscles, just of the above, the other features which are the attachment of the muscles, I told you in the diagrammatic structure. Just we will go to see the about the structures of the what are the structures are present on the original bones. So this at the middle side, it has become a triangular in shape, and this triangular shape is a two condyles. This is the projection is the area in the middle side. This is called the medial condyle, and this is called the lateral condyle. And this is the pulley-like structure which is present. This is called the trochlea, and the rounded structure which is present on the just at the lateral side of the trochlea is called the capitulum. Just above of the trochlea is a fossa is here, and this called the chronoid fossa is here. And at the another fossa is present here just above of the capitulum. This is called the radial fossa. And just above of the condyle, medial condyle, epicondyle, this are the ridge over here. This is called the medial epicondylar ridge, supramedial epicondylar ridge, and supramedial epicondylar ridge, lateral epicondylar ridge, lateral epicondylar ridge, and supramedial epicondylar ridge over here. Just on the back side of this is another neck is here. This is called the surgical neck. Mostly is the fracture of the humerus has happened over here. Okay, and the back side is the line over here. This is called the spiral line. And the back side is the smooth in surface. At the lower extremity is the triangular shape, and this only one fossa is present here. The back side, this is called the olecranon fossa, and this olecranon fossa is for the attachment of the olecranon process of the ulna bone to make the elbow joint. So okay, this is all about the humerus bone. If you any queries or any questions, you can email me. Yeah, you can comment me on my YouTube channel box. Thank you.